In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the drawing activity. For this activity, you will use Python to turn your Trashbot into a mini sketchpad. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather a computer, a Trashbot, and a micro USB. Step 2. Code. Code your Trashbot to move a cursor around the screen using buttons A and B. Shaking the Trashbot should change a pixel between on and off. Step 3. Test. Test your code. Does it work as expected? What happens when your cursor reaches the edge of the screen? Step 4. Refine. Try to identify the bugs, if any, that are preventing your code from working. Brainstorm and code methods to fix them. Step 5. Test again. With your new code, run the same tests as you did in Step 3 and evaluate. What happened to your program? Step 6. Reflect. What challenges did you face in this activity, and how did you overcome them? What other toys do you think you could imitate using your Trashbot? For more lessons, visit lessons.trashbots.co.